Welcome back to Sarah TV. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and I'm the girl that likes to cut her hair by herself like I did it last week. Last week I cut myself a bowl cut and it's already grown out. Yeah, that's a negative aspect if your hair grows very fast. You can't enjoy short hairstyles for a long period of time, only if you're going to cut it a little bit shorter than you actually want. And this is what I am going to do today. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel for weekly hairstyle updates if you need inspiration for your hairstyles, and don't forget to leave me a like if you like my video and click the notification bell if you want to get notified when I'm going to upload a new video. Yeah. Another cool tip, if you're going to cut your hair by yourself, wear a bandeau like this, because if you cut and if you don't have a coat or something, you cut your hair and nothing falls inside anything. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's easier to cut your hair and it's not annoying. It's super annoying, the falling off hair. It's so annoying, I swear. So, oh, and by the way, guys, last time after I did my bowl cut, my first bowl cut, I realized that I actually just have to put a bowl on my head and just cut around it. This happens if you don't see the tree in the forest. But let's start with the bangs. Let's start with the bangs. I actually don't like bangs that much because it hides my face and my eyebrows, and I put so much work on my eyebrows that by hiding it, this is a little bit sad for my eyebrows. Before we start, don't forget I'm not a professional, huh? No? I'm not. Okay, let's cut. What about this length here? I try it right on my eyebrows first. Going a little bit down here because I'm a little bit scared that it's too short on the sides. You guys know? I need another mirror. ready. That's all. Now I need to shave the rest. No styling products inside of my hair. No products, no styling products used yet, and I think I don't need any from now on. I can't see it properly because I put the mirror already back. I don't know why. Yeah, guys, tell me, what do you think? I mean, is it right? Guys, tell me, I mean, it's done, it's the typical bowl cut right now, right? Isn't it? I guess so. So far, thank you so much for watching again, for following my short hair journey, and I hope you guys didn't forget to subscribe my channel, like I said before in the beginning, and click the like button if you like my video, if you like how I'm cutting my hair by myself, if you like the hairstyle, how it turned out, if you like, click the notification bell to get notified every time I'm going to upload a new video. Yeah, that's all. I mean, yeah guys, actually I wanted to make this a real quick video because it's just detailing. It was just detailing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your likes and attention. Thank you so much for your support so far on my other videos. It's quite overwhelming for me. I'm so happy that so many people are watching my videos. I've never thought that would be happening, because actually I'm coming from a complete other background and hairstyling is just a side part from me. So yeah, I enjoy it, and I'm happy to get a lot of messages of you guys that you tried my short haircuts and it really turned out good. It makes me very proud that I'm quite a good haircutting teacher. Thank you guys, thank you so much, thank you for your support. This makes me very happy and proud and keeps me on doing this, and yeah, see you next time. And next time I'm going to bleach my hair again. I can't wait. I love hair bleaching more than cutting actually, and yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait. So see you guys next time.